Chengdu Expert Welding Equipment Company Ltd. is located at the homeland of Chinese Panda, Chengdu City, where China's only official electric welding machine research institute lies. After 20 years of endeavors, Chengdu Expert Welding Equipment Company Ltd. now possesses such main products as MMA, TIG, MIG, MAG, CUT, and CT series welding machines, and gained CE and ISO 9000 certificates. The company's technicians come from universities and research institutes, and they have rich experiences in products. Quality management is the most effective procedure of our company. We strictly inspect and record each component and each link so as to always guarantee the stable quality of our products. Now our series of products are sold to North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, and other over 50 countries. We own top equipment and production assembly lines. The monthly production output reaches 8,000, which can completely meet your order. We freely offer spare parts at the ratio. The product package adopts the method of small packaging first and large packaging later. Such method can reduce the damage and loss caused by the transportation. If you need more information, please contact us. We expect your letters.